The necklace was given to my mother, and I persuaded her to leave it to me. It is a handmade thing. It's a locket. It opens, and inside is a mother and child with an angel in the background. There's a table with flowers on it. And in the back is a guardian angel. And it was handmade by a man named Schnell. I assume he was German. I have no idea. I tried to have it insured once. And the man said to me, it's irreplaceable. If it's worth $2,000 to you, insure it for $2,000. If it's worth $5,000, insure it for $5,000. But it's priceless to me because it came from Kadia, and I would never sell it. And if I lost it, I could not replace it, so I never insured it. I do not remember Kadia wearing that because she gave it to my mother.
Wow. It's beautiful.
It's my mother who wore it.
It's beautiful.
But she bought it, obviously, in Europe.